Okay, I'm moving. I don't know why, but okay. Hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So for today, I'm kind of excited because I'll be trying on some Filipino brands, and I think I'm able to do a almost full face of Filipino cosmetic brands. So if you want to see what are the products, how I like my first impressions, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Oh my goodness. I just came from a 3 days, 2 night trip um, from at Batam with the year 4 students, and I'm so tired. I never thought that I can be actually tired. And if you guys know me, I'm a energizer bunny that I can't stop talking, I can't stop. But I was tired. But okay, stop rambling. I have an errand to go to. I only have like 30 minutes to get ready, then I have to be out of the door if not. Okay, so we're going to try the Luna Cosmetics, I guess. Soul tinted sunscreen sun cream. It does have an SPF of 50, which is good, I guess. I'm not even so sure whether what is the shade. Does it even come with a shade? What I know is cruelty free. I'm not so familiar with the brand, but since I'm in a hurry, I will not be able to talk about why is it good or what their claims are. I'll just put it somewhere here and we'll see. So I do love it because for a Filipino brand, they do have a pump. Let's see. Oh my goodness. So this is how it looks like. I do already have my skincare on and I'm kind of perspiring. Okay. Does it even come in shades? I'm not so sure. I have to check. So whatever shades this is, shade this is, good luck. We have to work on it. I think it has like an ashy, oh my goodness, it does have like a fragrance to it. So if you're sensitive to fragrance or you don't like anything, but okay, it's not a bad smell. They do say that you can use your hands. Okay, not so bad. I only have natural light. I didn't even switch on my lights because I want you guys to actually see like how it looks like in natural light. You know, whenever I do this get ready with me, not only am I talkative, but I'm always rushing. Don't forget to put some on your neck. I really feel I'm coming up with the flu. Oh my goodness. Coverage wise, it's fine. Do I feel like there's something on my face? Like, it's lightweight. It's not even sticky. Do you remember those days when your mom tried to tell you don't tie your hair when it's wet? But it's too late. I usually do that because I just can't stand. I love long hair. I love my hair, but I just can't. Anyway, moving on, Victoria, we don't have enough time. The next thing I'm supposed to do is do my eyebrows. So we're going to use the Sunnies face eyebrow pencil. I have two because I've already used up one and this is my new one. I forgot what shade I am in. I'll just, again, as always, I'll put for you guys everything in the description box, and I will put something here. So at one end you do have the pencil and the other end you do have the spoolie. Okay, since I'm in a hurry, okay, I've been using this item for quite some time now. I even forgot the price, but I got most of this item from Lipstick Queen SG. She's an Instagram shop based in Singapore and she does sell items from the Philippines. So now I would just like do this, and hopefully my eyebrows would be... I didn't even groom my eyebrows yet, but anyways, I'll do it tomorrow. I usually do it on like on a Sunday. I don't pluck, I shave my eyebrows, but we'll see. I still have a few like left here, and then I just fill them in. Since I have sparse like hairs in the front, so I make sure that I fill them in. It's like I'm still learning on how to do it. Hopefully. Any Filipinos watching this, can you recommend the like other Filipino brands? Because right now my brother is in the Philippines and he'll be coming back in December. So I'm thinking of doing or ordering some online things from the Philippines, like Filipino brands, and try it. You know, I'm so stopping myself in like sharing more because oh my god, I'm so excited, like especially for next year, whatever plans that I have. I don't want to share it, not now, maybe in December. We'll see, because by then I'll be sure of what I actually want in life. We'll see. So I've been praying, asking for signs. Any one of you like that? I believe in signs, as in, sadly enough, sometimes I misread the signs. But hey Victoria, what are you doing? Okay. Sadly enough, I do misread the signs, but that's me. Oh, okay. The other one is this brow gel that they have. I think the first time I bought this was in a set, so I like this because it does keep your eyebrows like in check, especially like this type of days wherein I'm just going to go on like a few errands and meet hubby maybe for dinner. Okay, so face done, never mind. We'll try. I have actually three items from Luna. Again, Luna Cosmetics, and it's their blush. It's Sunday, Tootsie or Toasted, and Ginger. I feel for my eyes, this would not be a video without me dropping things. Sorry. I'll just use Sunday. I'll search swatches for you guys. Oh my goodness, it's kind of pink. Let's try Ginger. I just said I'm going to search swatches. Okay, which is worse. And let's try the other one, see whether what's going to work. This is a little bit darker. I guess this is Tootsie. Okay, Victoria, good luck. Let's see which one would actually look better in my eyes. Why do I always do this? Okay, this is Tootsie, Sunday, and Ginger. Which one? Maybe I'll just use Sunday. Make sure that your eyes are dry and wish me luck. Let's put some at the back of my hand. Use your finger, tap tap tap, and then just tap it. I'm doing this over powder, so wish me luck. Okay, not so bad. Okay. It's not that pigmented actually when you put it in your eye, so it's good. Okay. A little actually does goes a long way. So let's do the other eye. Put in the middle. Take a clean finger. It looks like I'm flicking you off, but I'm not. This is me how I apply my eyeshadow when I'm using my fingers. Okay, not so bad. You're lazy, but again, you want to put something in your eyes so that you wouldn't look flat. Is it easy to blend? Yes. Does it crease? I'm not so sure, so we'll see. You still have to set it, so I'll set it so that, you know, because it's a cream eyeshadow, I just love setting it because I'm an oily face girl. So just take your brush and dab ever so slowly to set it. Ay, you know, when I'm filming, when I'm sick, it's like when I'm editing this, I would be telling myself, oh my god, Victoria, why did you even bother filming a video when you know you're not feeling well? Anyways, next is I'll get my brush and let's try this Ever Bilena contour something. I'm not going to contour my face, but see, because I already okay, like I don't think this is my shade. It's too light, but light enough that it does give you a little bit of definition. I guess if you like those type, don't use a fluffy brush. So just okay, not bad. But I guess it's too light for me, but better than nothing. And then take and just dab. Okay, happy, nice, but too light. Next is I'll get this Careline All Control Blush, which is in Peach Glow. I haven't tried any ever before. I think this one was gifted to me by my husband, and I haven't used it. Okay, subtle. Okay, not bad. From Luna Cosmetics, and it's this Kiss ink. I forgot what the shade I actually bought. It says you can use this as a lipstick or as a Victoria, good luck. So because it was too harsh just now. Do I like it now? I feel my lips are dry. I don't like this. I think there's alcohol in it because it feels cold. Like cool. Like, yeah, cold. I don't like it. Let's remove it. I'm sorry, Luna. Let's try. Did I use ginger in my eyes? I think I did. Okay, so let's try Sunday. Or did I use Sunday? I don't know, so sure. Stupid idiot. Me. So what I'm going to do is I'll take a little bit at the back of my hand again. Use my finger. Dab. just put it like in the inner part of your lips, then just keep on blotting until you're happy, I guess. That's what I usually use when I do use this. Oh my god, it does bleed. Okay, this one is not as bad. I mean, I don't feel that my dry lips is already dry, unlike the ink. Sorry, Luna. But, okay, so take your powder brush, do one last like sweep. Okay, okay, okay. Then with my Mario Badescu, I will just spray my face. So that it doesn't look so powdery. Fan, fan, fan. Take your blending brush. I just hit myself with my fan. And then just dab everything. Like, the blush is still there, which is nice. I like the blush. Okay. Okay, okay. So that's it. I'm always going to be late, so I have to. Late, so I have to rush off. If you like this type of videos, especially for those Filipinos who are watching it, that I do try on some Filipino brands, or let me know at the comment section below. I'm blanking out, so it means I'm really falling sick. So and let me know too, what are your favorite Filipino brands that I can actually try, especially if they have an online shop. Let me know. I know Lazada does, and what, Shopee. So please let me know, especially brands that have good lipsticks. Okay, so if you like this type of video, please do give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!